Predictive text shows word suggestions above the keyboard as you type. It tries to guess the next word or complete longer words before you finish typing them. Over time, it also adapts to common phrases and writing patterns you use regularly. This can make typing noticeably faster on an iPad, especially for messages, emails, and note-taking. The downside is that predictive suggestions can sometimes interrupt your flow if the wrong words appear too aggressively. If you find yourself constantly ignoring the suggestions, turn them off. Turning them off can make the keyboard feel cleaner and less distracting. Enable Caps Lock works like the Caps Lock key on a physical keyboard. Double tapping the Shift key keeps capital letters turned on continuously, which helps when typing acronyms, headings, passwords, or anything that needs multiple capital letters in a row. For most people, this is one of those small settings that quietly improves typing without much of a downside. The full stop shortcut automatically inserts a full stop and a space when you double tap the spacebar. Instead of manually pressing the punctuation key every time you finish a sentence, you can simply tap space twice and continue typing. It sounds minor, but during long typing sessions, it makes writing feel much smoother and faster.